Hello everyone, welcome to my page, to my channel. This is Mona, your health and wellness coach from Slim Trim Lifestyle. Day 16. So finished morning bliss, and after that I just took a gap for an hour, and now I'm going to start with my breakfast. So what's there? Check it out. I have took one slice of buckwheat bread. If you don't find it out, then you can have just a normal brown bread also. If you are following zero carbs, then no brown bread, then buckwheat bread, or then just try for any other option which has just you can say white protein bread. That's it. So I took one buckwheat bread and some avocado. I had it again. If you don't like avocado, you can add some any other vegetables like cucumber also, that's also very good, tomato. And my spread for this will be my fresh cheese. So it's around like 50 grams which is left over, so I'm just going to give a spread of the fresh cheese, and my toppings will be my lime coconut trim. It's going to give you really very good flavor with avocado. So this will be a good breakfast, a heavy breakfast you can say, and this is going to keep you full for a longer time. And again with that, I'm going to have my tea also together. So just I'm going to make my tea, but I'm not going to have the tea together with my breakfast. I'm just going to give a gap of at least 15 minutes, or you can also make your tea after finishing your breakfast, because see, you are eating so much fresh vegetables like good source of vitamins, essentials, and with the caffeine this spoils in your body, so this nutrition is not absorbed by your body also then. So try to stop having the any caffeine drink with your any of the meal, and even not on the empty stomach. So give a gap of at least, like, if you're on an empty stomach, eat something, and then just again wait for 5-10 minutes and then start having your tea. Don't have it also after a 1 hour. Like if I finish my breakfast now and I won't have my tea after an hour, because again your stomach is almost empty now. So just give 15-20 minutes, that's fine. Okay, so this will be my perfect breakfast for today. So you can also enjoy your healthy perfect breakfast. And one thing I just want to let you all know, if you are going through menopause time or hormones disbalance, or even during your periods time, just remember everybody that when you are falling, your weight gets stuck, or you see up and down a raise, because this time we have lots of bloating also, and water retentions comes out again. So just don't get stressed up that why you are putting on weight. This is very normal. During the periods time, you feel little swelling in your body, and also the same time your weight is going up and down. So best option that in this time, try to eat as much as cumin seeds and ajwain. So this both is a really very good option if you feel yourself bloated and also with too much pain. So during this 1 week, you can say, don't check your weight, because you are going to be get little disheartened that hey, my weight is going up and down, you're not losing. This is very normal. After, as you finish your periods, your weight is going to be normal. This time you can feel swollen. So I feel this thing because I am just really on my date now. I can feel on myself that I'm feeling little swelling, and also my weight has gone quite up, but I'm not taking stress. I know after 2-3, after finishing, like after a week, this will be normal. So for every woman who are following or who is doing any weight loss program during your menstruation, be calm. Don't take so much stress. Give your body a little time, because this time is a relaxing time for our body also, as it's trying to flush out all the, you can say, the bad blood which is sitting in our bladder. For the snacks, now for the snacks, I'm going to have some berries, as now is the best time to get fresh berries, strawberries, himberries, raspberries, and all these. So while this because this has good source of antioxidant and also vitamins, and for also iron. So this one box is enough for my one meal, one snack, which I'm going to have it like 10-10:30. So this will be my snacks. And for the lunch, I'm going to make today moong dal chilla. I made this batter quite little more because my whole family, they enjoy, and I also make the dough and I keep it for 1-2 days. It stays good, and just in the lunch or the dinner, or any time, if I don't have so much time or energy, I just take it out, make on my fry pan or on the non-stick fry pan. That's it. So I have soaked yellow moong dal overnight, and then I have grinded it coarsely, very nicely, and after that I've added some ginger, garlic, coriander, and some chili, some cumin seeds, some spices, whatever you like it. That's it. It's according to your taste. So just these are the basic what I have added, and See, this is a consist of this batter, and you can make dosa, you can make also pancake like what we say, or also you can make idli. For the idli, I think so you have to leave this dough for after grinding like for 4 or 5 hours so that it gets fermented, and after that you can make out idli in your steam pressure cooker. And with this today I have got some beans to eat, like this one. So you can make any kind of vegetable, like you can say in the gravy, or just you can saute this one with some cumin seeds, salt, pepper, some turmeric, that's it, like with the Asian spices. So this will be a perfect lunch for me and my family also. So just try to always, like I am trying to eat more and more varieties to make the pancakes, because I feel more satisfied that okay, I'm eating something with the roti. So I think so, good protein and good vegetables. So now time for the dinner. What I am going to have for the dinner, I have marinated some chicken with some spices, and I have vacuumed this chicken because I just try to marinate my chicken for 2-3 days, or 2 days at least, or one day, as if I get the time. And today easiest, I just want for the night, I'm just going to grill this chicken in my air fryer, and I have got some capsicum. After just grilling my chicken, I'm just going to saute some of the capsicum with the chicken together, like you can say it's going to like a chili chicken, but I'm not adding any sauce, nothing. Just I'm going to toss so that the chicken releases its own moist. So with that, it's going to be become soft and some juicy also. So this is my dinner. I hope for the whole day plan you have liked it so much, ideas with veg and non-veg together. So I think so you can understand that you can eat everything. Just your quantity and the portions should be moderate. You have to eat every time the vegetables also, that's really very important, because this contains a lot of fiber. We require fiber in our body. Every time what happens, we forget to eat vegetables. No, but we need to eat also vegetables together along with your protein. So when you're eating more fiber, and one thing more, if you are getting too much constipated during this program, or just any weight loss program you are doing, try to add more vegetables, because the more vegetables you eat, you will see your body is flushing out all those toxins also from your body. So this is really very important to make a good combination when you're eating for all the meals. You can also eat all kind of pulses, dal. These are also very good. These are you can say good source of protein. Also are high in carbs, so the weight loss can be a little slower. That's the reason. In the dinner, I try to have more with the non-veg, and because with the pulses it takes quite more longer time. So if you're having pulses, so try to eat more in the grinded form, or something make which is lighter to eat. That will be the best option. I hope you people are liking my videos, a lot of ideas and tips what you can eat during a yummy healthy weight loss program. So if you people are liking my videos, don't forget to give a like, subscribe and share with your friends and family, so that I can be more motivated. You can also drop your comment if you have anything in the description. So I'm going to help you out. I'm going to see you all tomorrow with some more new recipes and some more ideas. Bye bye.